Today I've got a fantastic home for you to see. I've got the house for you.
This is why you come down to Panama City Beach. This is why you buy the beach house.
I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Let's take a look around.
With so many Gulffront condos to choose from in Panama City Beach, it's hard to find the right one. Today I've got a fantastic unit in one of the best buildings on the beach. Today I'm going to take you around a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with bunks at Aqua. It's on the 11th floor, unit 1111. Aqua has long been one of the best managed buildings in all of Panama City Beach, and that's going to be very important going forward, especially with these new condo laws. But even more important than that, think about this. The location is phenomenal, very close to Pier Park, and think about the location from a standpoint of 2 or 3 years from now. Next year, there's going to be a Top Golf right across the street. Dolly Parton has a new 1,000-seat pirate show dinner theater opening up right next to Pier Park, and there's an 87-acre hospital right around the corner. What's going to be here in a matter of years is going to be extremely important. Let's go take a look around. What do you think? Nice unit, right? A couple things I didn't mention earlier. Beautiful new flooring throughout the entire unit. It's not mismatched here and there. Really, really nice tile flooring. The furniture is upgraded, professionally decorated, really nice quality stuff. Sleeps 8 people comfortably. And remember, what do you think prices will be like in Aqua 2, 3, 4 years from now when we have all those other things I talked about earlier right in this vicinity? Rental income just has to go up, you would think. If you have any questions about this unit or want to see it in person, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for watching.